We've got a vertical floor standing fan heater. It's on a circular base. The base itself is roughly about 26 centimeters in width. Just take a little bit of construction, so it comes in two parts which clip together and then it screws to the main unit. So it's in a nice attractive black and white colour scheme. The lead itself is roughly about 1.4 meters in length and a UK 3-prong plug. On the back it's got its main illuminated on and off switch, and also as well it's got a convenient carrying handle as well. So yeah, the actual controls very basic, which means it's easy to use as well. So yeah, it comes with a remote control because there's only one temperature gauge on here. It says it can go between 20 and 40 degrees, so you've got a plus and minus here on the actual remote controls, which makes it a little bit easier to set. So once you've set the actual temperature that you want, it's got two different heat settings, which is sort of like a low and then a high. And also as well, you can turn the heat off altogether, which means it acts as a fan as well. So the height of itself is roughly about 71 centimeters high. It's got a standby mode, which you can use at the front, or the remote. So you put it into standby mode, which means it's additional to the main on and off switch, which means that you can actually use this function of a timer. So you can actually put it on timer between 1 and 12 hours. Put it on for an hour and it did actually cut off as well after 1 hour. So also it's got a swing function because it's on a circular base. I'd say the rotation is roughly between 30 and 40 degrees, so that's a bit of a bonus rather than have it just in a static position. So yeah, quite like the design, looks nice and modern. And yeah, it's nice and compact. So it does work quite well, it does put out quite a lot of heat. So yeah, quite like this product. So it's going to be a 4 out of 5 from me.